one. Whoa, beautiful. Yeah, baby, yeah. Tell me when you're ready. Tell them to pull all the way through. Yeah. Nice, good shot. Nice leader work, Monday. Getting nearly as good as me. Hold on, bring him up that way. Short him up. Careful, buddy.
Beautiful fish, mate.
Yeah, nice fish.
Wow.
Hooked right square in the jaw too. Good hook. Yeah, good. And then my stereo, be careful, buddy. Short him up now, buddy. You got him. Short him up, mate. He's a tough bastard. He's a tough little bastard. That one. Not so little. 300, 350. Yeah, he's back, man. Yeah, that's 350. Tough bugger. Yeah, that's it. Jump out and have a look at your fish. Put your rod in the holder. Good man, Mike. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah. Well done, guys. Hey, nice tag shot, Callum. Nice leader work Monday. Good stuff, boy. Wrap now, wrap. Where you going? Go one corner to the other. One corner to the other, Thomas. Stand up, Callum, so I can see your hands. Stand up. Other side. Don't stand in the middle. Come on, stand in the middle, one side or the other. There you go. Oh, that's good. Nice job. Wow.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Pull back. Pull them up. There you go. Lift them up. Lift them up. Stay there, lift them up. Head up. Head up. Hook in the corner of the door. Good man. Hit him to shoulder line up. He's hooked in the mouth though. Shake him loose if you can. Now. Here we got him. Good baby. Good job.